So I'm Tom Massey, I'm a garden designer. I'm here on the Royal Entomological Society Garden, and I'm going to talk about sustainable take-home ideas inspired by this garden at Chelsea Flower Show. So we've done all sorts of things here to be more sustainable and lower impact, and that ranges from using dead wood in multiple ways. So in the walls of the lab here you can see these log piles. We've already got wood-boring insects starting to come in and inhabit these spaces. And on the back boundary, these habitat panels, essentially a giant bug hotel. So using all sorts of materials from crushed terracotta, broken construction waste, leaf mold, brushwood, and then cut logs with holes drilled for ground nesting bees. So just think about, at home, if you're smashing up an old patio or if you're breaking down a wall, maybe arrange it artfully in a pile, see what, chuck a few wildflower seeds on it and just see what arrives, what kind of insects are coming in, what are you finding if you lift a rock, what's underneath it. So the garden really is designed to inspire, educate and get people thinking about insects, these amazing creatures that really do run the world.